When object is kept at 1.2 in front of the objective, final image is formed at in magnifying power of the compound microscope. So the overall the diagram, so it is like this. So this is the objective lens f0, you write it. This eyepiece. Object is kept here, h0. It is at what distance? 1.25 centimeter. It will form an intermediate image, I1, and the final image is at infinity. Final image is at infinity. So this is u0, no? And this is v0. This is ue. And this should be equal to what? ue should be equal to fe. Because final image is at infinity. Finally, what happened? The rays, what happened? Will become parallel to that. We have to take one more, no? Here. There's a rough diagram. The object is here. So these rays are parallel, you can see it. So what is asking, no? Magnifying power of the compound microscope. So to get the magnifying power, and final image is formed at infinity. So just now we have derived a formula. So what is the formula? M infinity is equal to V0 plus U0. Where the formula is there? Compound microscope. V0 U0 by D by Fe, no? What we know Fe, we know D, we don't know, and we know U0, we know U0. We don't know V0. How to get V0? 1 by V0. Can we use this formula? This we don't know, and this is minus 1.25. And what is the focal length f0? 1.2 centimeters. Substitute this, you'll get the value of V0. That value of V0, you put it here, you'll get the required answer. Of course, negative sign will come. I'm just getting only magnitude. So in compound microscope,